Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you what are the funnel templates available in Go High Level software. First of all, log in into the Go High Level software and search for the funnel option and click on it. After that, you have to create a new funnel. For that, click on a new funnel option. Here it says use template to create a new funnel. Jump start with an awesome pre-built funnel, or you can create a new funnel. To go to the template library, click on this button. Here you will find lots of pre-made templates, like there is a pre-made funnel template of agency for attorneys. There is a template for auto dealers, chiropractors, coaching, construction, day spa, dental, gym, hair salon, martial arts, medical spa, pest control, real estate, restaurants, services, solars, and yoga. Let's see what are the funnel templates available one by one. First of all, let's see the agency template. For the agency template, there are five templates available. You can view one by one. This is the first template. You can view it by clicking on this button. Click here for live preview. This is the template for a agency. If you want to use this template, then that's very easy. Just click on this I agree button and you get this template. Click on it and you will be able to use this template. So the pre-layers funnel is available here. You can view from here. And you can see all the things here, such as how many steps are there, funnel steps. You can see all the stats here, means how many people has visited your funnel. You can see all the details here. You can also see how many sales this page has generated, and there is an option for setting. Here you can select a domain. Here you can select a custom domain, and also you can add the tracking codes here in the head section and in the body section. So let's see what more funnel templates are available. Let's see attorney's template. This is the template for attorney. Let's see the funnel template for auto dealers. There are three funnel templates that are already available. So this is the template. And let's see template for chiropractor. This is the template. Next we have to see the template, funnel template for coaching business. Let's see the templates. Here 4 templates are available. Let's see the first template. Okay. Let's see the template for construction. Here is the funnel template for construction business. Let's see the funnel template for day spa. Next, let us see the template for dental business. Likewise, let's see the template for gyms. Here 3 funnels are available. You can use any of them. Here is a template for hair salon. Here also 3 templates are available. You can use any of them. Here is the template for martial arts. Most of these templates are very short and precise. You don't have to do much work. Everything is pre-built. Let's see template for medical spa. Here 2 templates are available. Let's see the first one. Okay, let's go back, and we have 4 more templates to see. So 6 more for we have 6 templates to see. Let's see pest control template. This is the template for pest control. Let's see template for real estate. Here lots of templates are available. We are looking at the first template. In these templates you can also add the videos or any text of your choice. In the real estate business there are 4, 5, 6 templates are available. Let's see template for restaurants. This is the template for restaurants. I like this template. Let's see what template are available. This is the template for services. There are 4 templates available. We are seeing the template for roofing business. Now we have two more templates to see. Let's see the template for solars. This is the template for solar. And the last template we are going to see is from yoga. Here one template is available. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks fine. And you can always add further steps in these funnels. So these are the total funnels. Templates are available in Cohigh software. So if you want any help, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up. And if you want a 14 days free trial of this software, then you can click the link in the description and sign up from there. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day.